A few weeks ago, we did a tour of Little Shop of Soil in Bushwick, and I bought these three plants: Peperomia prostrata, or string of turtles, an asparagus Plumosa Fern, and an Aglaonema Pictum Tricolor. Now, it's time to pot these babies up. I've mentioned before that it's a good idea to wait a while before you repot your new plants. It gives them time to acclimate to the light and humidity in your home, and gives you time to figure out where they should go to get just the right amount of light. Let's start with this Plumosa Fern, which I'm going to put into this beautiful pruning pot. Not a true fern, of course. These are part of the asparagus family, but they're called ferns because of their feathery foliage. This one likes to stay fairly moist, but not too wet, so the straight Fox Farm Coco Loco soil should be just perfect for it. Now, just like my big retrofractus, also from the family Asparagaceae, these have thorns, so I'm going to need to be careful while I'm potting it so I don't get jabbed. And there we go. So pretty. Next up is the Peperomia. I bought this beautiful little pot with speckle glaze from Little Shop of Soil specifically for it, and I think it's going to be a great choice. Peperomia prostrata has shallow roots, so they prefer a shallow pot to keep the soil from staying too wet. My rule of thumb for Peperomia is light it like a tropical, water it like a succulent. That basically means it wants bright, indirect light, but it can go up to 2 weeks between waterings. These guys really hate wet feet, so I'm going to add some orchid bark to this Coco Loco soil, and that'll make it drain more quickly. When you're doing something that's a trailing plant like a string of turtles, the best way to do is put your hand completely over the top and flip it. Just like that. Time to get out the old blunt stake. Pack it down in there. All right. There we go. Looks fabulous. And I saved the best for last. I've had string of turtles and Plumosa ferns before, and I love them, but this is the one I'm really excited about, an Aglaonema Pictum Tricolor. Let's get a really good close-up shot of these spectacular leaves. Aren't they gorgeous? This is a good example of a trendy plant that doesn't come at a trendy price. Now, this guy wants airflow to the roots too, so I'll use the soil that has the orchid bark mixed in. Aglaonemas are very easy to care for as long as they're getting enough indirect light so they don't exfoliate and become leggy. Remember, we say these are low light tolerant rather than calling them low light plants because they'll survive in lower light, but surviving ain't thriving, and bright indirect is always best for tropicals. And that's 3. In case you missed the tour, Little Shop of Soil is in the Bushwick neighborhood of Brooklyn at 279 Star Street. It's a lovely little shop with everything you need for houseplants and a lot more. So stop by and tell them Planty Jen sent you. So here are 3 new plants to add to my collection, all potted up and looking fabulous. If you'd like to know more about how to pot plants, I'll link that video and the little shop of soil tour in the credits. What's your favorite new plant you've gotten recently? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.